Okay, chances are you clicked on this video because you want to make watches or you're already quite experienced making watches. But there's this one mistake that a lot of beginner watchmakers can actually make, and genuinely, if you don't follow this advice, it can quite literally make you blind. And I'm not saying that as a threat, but it's quite a bad mistake that I, as a beginner watchmaker as well, had been making until I saw some advice online. So I just wanted to share it with you. Now, there comes a part, I'll show you here. This is what I mean, okay? So this is a watch case, and that's what the stem looks like without the movement inside, okay? And obviously, you'll be wanting to cut the actual length of this to be shorter, so then it can fit within the movement, right? Now, this is the thing. You'll be using like one of these, okay? It's like pliers to be able to snip at this, yes? Okay, and you're just snipping it like that, and you're just trying to make sure you're on the right length. Now, you can snip it like that if you like, okay? There's nothing wrong with that. However, genuinely, look away, all right? Literally, I'm not even kidding you. Make sure, yeah, obviously, you know where to cut. After that, don't cut it just yet. Literally look away before you do it, okay? Literally close your eyes and look away. Otherwise, that thing, that literal flying tiny needle that goes, you don't want to be looking at that. If it goes into your eye, you're most likely going to lose your eye, okay? That's what I mean by like, you could go blind, okay? You don't want that to happen to you. I've made a total of maybe 2-3 watches, almost 4. Now, I'm telling you this now because I don't want you to lose your sight, okay? I want to help people. So hopefully this is helpful, right? Now, if you do want more advice on basically making watches, right? I actually have like a free template that you could use if you like, that literally shows you the parts to be able to make basically this watch over here, okay? And this is actually my very first watch that I made. It's a custom watch. I'm not selling anything. Literally, you can get the template for free. It's in the description. And if you don't like the look of this, there's alternative bits that I chose for you. And all the parts fit as well. So you can just check that out if you like. Okay? Hopefully you found this video helpful. And I'll see you later then. All right, just don't go blind. Bye-bye.